Standees, attention, standees. Every morning we get a chance to change, a chance to be better, a chance to be different. We should leave our past as it is and should focus on our future for a better tomorrow. Now let us start our prayer with allegiance to the God. So I would like to call my friends for prayer.
सरगम मध्यम हुई थी जीने की आशा बिल्कुल मिल गई थी
Classes standees, attention, standees, attention. Being a citizen of this country means to protect, defend and be loyal. So now I would like to call Vivek Ethani for taking the pledge.
Good morning all of you. Myself Vivek Dhani from class 10. Today I am here to take oath. So get ready for taking oath. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and very heritage. I shall always strive to be a loyal and worthy of it. I show respect to my parents and my elders. I show kindness to animal, country and people. I pledge my devotion in their happiness and prosperity. Long life my happiness. May God give a countrymen peace and prosperity. जय हिंद. भारत माता की. भारत माता की. भारत माता की.
Thank you. Standees, attention, standees, attention, standees. An inspirational thought in the morning can charge us with motivation and make our rest of the day beautiful. So now I would like to invite Himanshu Ketwal for thought on the stage.
Good morning, Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, and all worthy staff of Uttarakhand Academy, and my dear friends. I, Himanshu Ketwal, presenting my today's thought, and my thought is like this. Nothing is done by dreams only. Nothing is done by dreams only. Success is achieved through efforts only. Success is achieved through efforts only. I repeat my thought once again. Nothing is done by dreams only. Success is achieved through efforts only. I explain my thought in Hindi. सिर्फ सपनों से कुछ नहीं होता. सिर्फ सपनों से कुछ नहीं होता. सफलता प्रयासों से हासिल होती है. सफलता प्रयासों से हासिल होती है. थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.
Classes, attention, standees, attention, standees. News is that medium which keeps us informed about the changing events, characters, and changing in the world outside. So now I would like to call here Naval Singh Khati for today's news headlines.
Myself, Naval Singh Khati, from class 10th. Today I am here to represent my news, and my first news from international is Russia pounds Ukraine, targets Western weapon supply routes. My second news is Twitter courts adversaries amidst uncertain future under Musk. My third news is from nationals. PM Narendra Modi returned home after concluding 3 national European tours. My fourth news is from Uttarakhand. Corona cases are increasing day by day. 11 students in private school of Dehradun found COVID positive. My fifth news from sports is yesterday was the Tata IPL match between Delhi Capitals and Sunrisers Hyderabad. Delhi Capitals beat Sunrisers Hyderabad by 21 runs. My last news from temperature is today is the temperature of Pakistan is 20 degrees Celsius. Thank you.
Standees, attention, standees. Studying history helps us understand how the events in the past make the things the way they are today. So, to tell you about Indian history, now I would like to invite Mayank Goswami on the stage.
Good morning, Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, and all the staff members of Uttarayan Academy, and my dear friends. Today I am Mayank Goswami, here to deliver my article on the topic Indian history. India is a country with numerous resources in it. Earlier it was called Golden Bird for prosperity and wealth. At the same time titled as Jagat Guru for intelligence and wisdom. For this wealth and resources only, India was attacked time to time by so many foreigners like Mughal, Portugal, French, Dutch and British. India was invaded by British in year 1600 as a business company called East India Company, where India was attacked earlier for sale purpose of looting money. British have different mindset. Slowly, they started influencing in our politics and used the formula divide and rule for conquering India. Indian people started protesting and fighting for their rights, and it started a war between British rule and India. Starting from 1857 till 15 August 1947, many freedom fighters sacrificed their life for the sake of our freedom. Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Mahatma Gandhi, and many more people who are known for their contribution in our freedom. We should grateful that we are living in a democratic country now because of those freedom fighters who have sacrificed their life. We should love and respect our motherland the way we love our families. This way we can make their sacrifices meaningful and worthy. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Standees, attention, standees. Lack of general knowledge can concentrate our social integration. So let us test and enhance our general knowledge. I would like to invite Manish Kolakoti for this.
Morning all of you, myself Manish Singh Garawdi from class 10. Today I am here to ask you some GK questions, and my questions are based on the topic of India. So my first question is for class first. What is your country name?
What is your country name?
Yes, India is the correct answer. My next question is for class second. What is the capital of India? Yes, New Delhi is the correct answer. My next question is for class third. How many states are there in India? The correct answer is 28. My next question is for class 4. When did India become a republic country? India became a republic country. 26 January 1950. My next question is for class 5th. Who wrote our national anthem, Jana Gana Mana? Yes, Rabindranath Tagore is the correct answer. My next question is for class 6th. When did India got freedom? Yes, the correct answer is 15 August 1947. My next question is for class 7th. 6th. Who was the first Indian Governor General of India? I repeat my question once again. Who was the first Indian Governor General of India? The answer is C. Raj Gopalachari. My next question is for class 7. Who was the first Governor General of India? I repeat my question once again. Who was the first Governor General of India? The correct answer is Warren Hastings. My next question is for class 8. How many Vedas are there? Yes, the correct answer is 4. My next question is for class 9. In which year Warren Hastings became the first Governor General of India? I repeat my question once again. In which year Warren Hastings became the first Governor General of India? The correct answer is 1773. Thank you and have a nice day.
Standees, attention, standees. Poetry is like rhythm to silence and lightness to darkness, and our small kids are like rising star. So I would like to invite rising star of from junior classes to recite their poem.
From class UKG, today my poem लाल बत्ती कहती था चलते चलते रुकते हैं पीली कहती होश चलने को रही हरी बताई चलते जा आगे आगे बढ़ते जा ठंडिया बनाते
Attention, standees. Attention, standees. Great teachers aren't always with fancy degrees and qualifications. They are with wonderful hearts and in the world for a better thing. So now I would like to invite Mrs. Indra ma'am for today's thought.
Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, all the worthy teachers and my lovely student. First of all, very warm and charming good morning all of you. Good morning. Today I am presenting here to recite a thought like that. Practice turn fool into wise, as the running rope, make a mark, stone tablet. I repeat once again, practice turn fool into wise, running rope, make a mark, stone tablet. It means हिंदी मीनिंग जिस तरह कोमल रस्सी की बार बार रगड़ खाने से एक कठोर पत्थर पर भी निशान बन सकता है, ठीक उसी प्रकार आप रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो हम कठिन से कठिन टास्क को भी अचीव कर सकते हैं. इट मीन्स इफ यू प्रैक्टिस रेगुलर एंड प्रॉपर वे, नो एनी टास्क टफ इन योर लाइफ. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.
Standees, attention. Our national anthem is our first priority. So let's begin our national anthem. Get ready for national anthem. To keep ourselves healthy, so all of you please raise your hands with your hankies. Our principal ma'am always inspire us with her motivational thoughts and ideas. So now I would like to invite her to say some words. Which
Thank you, Charan. Change is the end result of all true learnings. Change is the end result of all true learnings. So with this lovely quotation, first of all, a very charming good morning to Honorable Chairman Sir, all my dedicated teachers and especially to all lovely kids. Okay, kids, how you all are? Okay, why I am asking this question to you? So I want to confirm that you all are fine, okay? So you are that condition that listen to the all activities here. So that's good. Be always healthy. So the students, so this thought and this, whoever this quoted this thought, it is really true. That change means what? As you know, change, badlao, you know. So change means is the end result. End result means तो अंतिम जो उसका परिणाम होता है वो किसका होता है? When you are getting the change, when you are truly learning all the things in a proper way. Clear? Understand or not? Are you getting? So any whatever things you are doing, you are learning, you are just grasping the knowledge from your environment, surroundings, from your schools, from your family. So all this, at last you are getting some change in that your behavior. You are behaving in such a way and you are showing all these activities. You are applying in your life. Then you at last you become the good person. And you also changing the other people, motivating to the other people. So that's why you all do learning, keep learning and try to give your best. As the today class 10 students, they have given their best here. So it was a really, we can say, the very nice performance and very their dedication, their boldness, their fluency, especially their energy. It was really very praiseworthy. So the students, please give the big hand to encourage to these students and to motivate these students so that next time also they will keep it up all these spirits and will get the best result here and in every field of their life. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.
Now we are pleased to welcome our chairman sir to inspire us.
Yes, good morning to everyone. And first of all, I would like to say you that there will be one programs and nowadays especially student, as you know, there is a lot of drugs addiction is spreading in especially youth are going to indulge with this kind of the problem. So this is very challenging for our country and especially for futures all our nation will be depend in youth. On the shoulders of our youth, but our youth is going to spoil their self in the drugs addiction. So that's why time to time health departments always be organizing to this kind of the programs to aware to you. And this time in Bageshwar, especially our school is also selected for this program. So it will be on 9th of the day, on 9th of May it will be. And so in this program, so this program name is National Tobacco Controls Program. And so in this program, so we have given the class 8th name. So they will be conduct one essay about the tobacco controls and they will be select first 3 students for the who having the better. That means you will prepare yourself and how to do tobacco controls and what will be the effect on the youths nowadays. And you will prepare all the things proper way. And second things, and I am very happy to see, and today, because I always be having the complaints about the senior 9 to 12, because they are not taking part very energetically, and so that's why today's performance is so that they are taking very energetically and very fluently and very good. Today I like their performance and so I am hoping that all the students will be learn from them according to their class. They have done the performance good today. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.
For listening us, this is the end of today's morning assembly. You may now move to your respective classes. Classes attention. Standees, attention. First row about turn. Third row about turn. Fifth row about turn. Seventh row about turn. Move now.